Okay, this is something I don't want to do, but it has to be done to prove to you that it is a weatherproof. Here it goes. So Sylvox kindly sent me another TV to review. This time it's an outdoor 55-inch, and it comes with a 4K resolution, IP56, Google Cast functioning, which is very important, and a sound system of Dolby Atmos as well. And it's also showing a simple diagram of how you should unbox it. You actually need two persons to carry it with you, so that's very important. But on top of that, wait, there's more. They kindly sent me the outdoor mobile floor stand, and wait, there's another more, which is a outdoor sound bar as well. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and trying it out on my lovely outdoor setting. So let's get on with it, shall we? So here it goes. All right, so let's get started. Take it out. First off, we got the manual and the remote control as well. Power socket as well. Also for the screw is to mount it. Okay. Whoa. I mean, look at that. That comes with a very fine, thin metal framing. And that is just beautiful, isn't it? It's almost like a frameless TV. Now, if you were to look at the back side, there, I want to highlight there, that's a silicone joint. And we all know what silicone joint is about. It's about waterproof. We got handles on both ends so you can lift it up. And this is Sylvox. Whoa, yeah, that's for the actual mount. Two of them, a nice frame, screws, wheels, 4 of them, and that's another frame, another track, legging side, 2 legs, another tiny panel. Okay, so I'm assembling the wheels on the actual frame, leg frame, but I have to say Sylvox quality of the materials that they delivered, it's pretty damn good, I have to say. Okay, so I think I've done the main base build, so it should be easy onwards from now on. But you will notice the way how they put the screws together is very well organized. But one thing I actually have found out is that this is actually wobbly, and that's not a problem whatsoever because you can actually screw this by using this tool to actually level it up. Okay, so just screw that so that you can level it so it's all flat and good to go. There you go, wheel levels all adjusted, so no wobbly whatsoever. There you have it, folks. That was nice and easy assembly. Now it's time for the TV. So finally, we have the TV mounted onto the actual rolling stand, okay? So this is Silvox. Yeah, of course, we gotta take these out as well. So excited about it. So what's quite unique about this TV is that it has a power button below here, a red one that looks like a missile button, I have to say. It's very waterproof, actually, very well concealed. And there's these hand turning screws that you can actually take it out. Okay, so I presume if you roll it all out, almost there. Voila, you got all these details. So we got the RJ45 cable, optical out, and also the antenna, HDMI plug-in, USB, and also the earphone jack. That's very good. And lastly, we got the power plug that is clipped. That's very unique as well, isn't it? Very well thought through, and all through can be opened by these hand turning screws. Brilliant. Now we got Sylvox ELF S3 series outdoor soundbar as well. What do we have here? Cool. We got the accessories box, some sort of like a framework. Oh, something big's coming out. So that's the soundbar mounting plate as well. So this also comes with a remote control. So a quick instruction manual. That's pretty neat. Shiny, nice weight. Sylvox. So on the accessories box, HDMI, also the audio as well, power plugs, the batteries for the remote control, and metal mount as well. There you go, people. It's nicely screwed in by the frame, and I decided to go with the optical in and out cable. That's all dangled in. That should be covered in a metal plate. And this is how it looks at the front. Nice and neat, isn't it? You can tell this is a waterproof because this plug itself, it got a rubber seal on it, and also the cover as well if you pull it out. So this is how the remote control looks like inside. As you can see, there's this layer to make it waterproof. Okay, finally, the moment of truth. Let's actually turn it on. Okay, so I can hear a bit of a fan ventilation noise. There you go. Silvox. It's asking for your QR code to be scanned on your phone so you could quickly set it up. So that's very clever indeed. I love Google TVs. There you go. So by scanning that QR code, now my smartphone is transferring data on my TV. Look at all these Google services you could go through. That's really cool, isn't it? Okay, so let's accept. And then it says search across all your TV apps. Okay, let's allow that as well. And activate voice match to this TV as well. Absolutely. So you can actually choose all these services. So I think I'll go for YouTube, Netflix, YouTube Music, why not? Ah, that's a nice feature. So you can actually get most out of Google TV by, I guess I'll go for Google Photos as screensaver. That'll be quite cool. So you can see my Google account profile photo here. That's pretty clear actually. We got home, movies, shows, apps. So these are many of them live, which I don't want to watch. But Prime TV, Live TV, and these are all the Google standard function. And I just love the way how it kind of color highlights, as you can see from the recording screen. Based on its logo, it automatically highlights on its unique color. So that's the app. Shows, I think these are just related to the highlights of combination of all the apps that is coming from. Movies, again, Google TV. You guys, I guess, know more than I do in regards to this. Comedies. So it's like a mixture of Netflix, I guess, with all the different apps. So let's actually search for my channel and see some of my videos as well. So I guess I could do a quick voice command on this. So robot review tech. There you go. That was easy. And if we could scroll and look at that and see my video. And to switch it back into the normal mode, rather than the theme, you just need to short press it twice. And there you go. The only difference very good sound quality. Has changed based on the theme body. And it's a very sharp image as well, isn't it? I'm just quite impressed with it actually. Change this to a different cowboy this time. I'm pretty sure my neighbors are gonna get very upset with this level of volume, so I better put it down. Okay, this is something I don't want to do, but it has to be done to prove to you that it is a weatherproof. Here it goes.
Welcome to LJP Tech channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you press.
Woo!
Now, I present to your host, LJP Tech.
So finally, we got
my daughter's loving it.
okay. What? Oh, really? Not only got one, not only.
Yeah, it's gonna dry out during the sunny day anyway.
Well, I'm very excited about this robot here.
Here you go. It's totally waterproof, everyone. Still working.
That's how it looks. There you go, people.
Look at that. Even the speaker, amber light is actually showing here, which is a mode, by the way. It's not a warning sign. It's all drenched, and it's Still working, everyone.
And that's how the package looks. Really nice
Okay.
package.
So the delivery guys for this product actually said quite a lot of people are actually buying this at the moment, especially like pubs and individuals who have backyards and so on. And it makes a lot of sense because this enables you to watch your TV on your nice backyard, enjoying with your family, and especially for the upcoming World Cup as well, which I'm really excited about. So you can watch your TV outdoor with your outdoor seating, having nice food and so on, make your neighbors a bit jealous about it, I guess. And besides, this comes with a nice tray as well, so you could place your waterproof remote control as well, leave it be, and do not worry about the rain pouring down and so on. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this 55-inch TV from Silvox is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is Robot Review Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.